Hello guys, you're watching Experience Infinite. In today's video, we are going to do a head-to-head comparison between two amazing multimeters. One is designed by me and the other one is by the well-known brand Fluke. It is a Fluke 107 multimeter. So let's start the video. So let's program the multimeter using USB to TTL module. So guys, I just want to let you know that I already covered the designing of the multimeter, including the components, the hardware and the software in the making of the multimeter video. I'll drop the link of the video in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And so let's start the comparison. So guys, first test Fluke's 107 600 volt Cat 3 voltmeter. So here I have 18650 lithium ion cell and the voltage of the cell is 3.826 volt. Just keep in mind that on the connector side again it is the same, that is 3.826 volts. And so now let's test our multimeter. I've just turned it on and it has 4 different analog inputs. That means you can read 4 different voltages at a time. And at V3, that means third analog pin, I've connected the cell, and here you can see at V3 the voltage is 3.826 volt. So it means it is fully precise as much as a Fluke's multimeter. You can see that after decimal it is able to display 3 digits over there. So guys, we are getting this level of precision is because I have used a 16-bit analog to digital converter in the voltmeter. Now again we are going to test the voltmeter on a Duracell. So Duracell, it has around a voltage of 1.5 volt, around 1.5 volt. So let's test it. So the voltage of the Duracell is 1.595 volt. So on the Fluke it is 1.595 volt. And right now let's test on our multimeter. As you can see, it is 1.594 volt. So guys, our voltmeter is as precise as a Fluke's voltmeter. If you want to see the making of the multimeter, I have attached the link in the description box. Go and check it out. If you want to see such type of electronics content, then subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video then hit the like button. Thank you so much.